I'd like you all to remember the last time you were completely physically exhausted. And I mean really exhausted. You're out of breath, fatigued, overall just done for the day. What would life be like if you felt that way every day, just from crossing the street or walking to your car? For many heart failure patients, this is their reality, with even the simplest activities requiring their heart to work on overdrive. Is it any wonder why the outlook for these patients is so bleak? Heart failure is a chronic, debilitating disease that affects over 300,000 Australians. While survival rates are improving, the overall quality of these patients' lives still suffers due to their inability to exercise and just move throughout the day. But what do you do when one of the best ways to improve someone's ability to exercise is to exercise, the very thing they struggle with the most? What we really need is a way to make the exercise itself just a bit easier so they can move more. So I'm going to give patients with heart failure beetroot juice. Research has shown that drinking it can improve the exercise performance in rats, horses, athletes, and most relevantly, clinical patients. The active ingredient in beetroot juice is nitrate, which is also found in green leafy vegetables. Remember how your parents always told you to eat your veggies? Well, it turns out they were right, because the nitrate in them has downstream effects in the body that help improve the function of the muscles, the arteries, and the vessels. But how does this help heart failure, where the problem is the heart? Well, it's not quite that simple. Basically, these patients aren't very active due to the heart failure. But because they aren't active, their muscles grow weaker, which in turn makes any physical activity harder. It's a vicious cycle that I hope to help break. So in my study, I aim to see if drinking beetroot juice for 1 week compared to a placebo can help improve the function of the muscles and/or the heart and lead to improvements in heart failure patients' ability to exercise. I will also see if drinking the beetroot juice helps the patient's perceived effort during the actual exercise. I currently have 4 participants in my study, but since neither I nor they have any idea which juice is the active and which is the placebo, I won't know what my data means until the very end of the study. But I'm excited for the results. Findings from my study will tell us 2 things about patients with heart failure. First, we will better understand whether the heart or the muscles most limits these patients during exercise. Second, we will know a bit more about how beetroot juice can potentially impact this ability. If beetroot juice can help make the muscles and the arteries work more efficiently during exercise, maybe the heart won't have to work as hard. For heart failure patients, this could mean that the exercise feels a bit easier, which helps them move a little more and hopefully improves their overall quality of life. Look, I'm not saying that I can fix a broken heart, but I will definitely be trying to help my patients beat heart failure. Thank you.